I want to show you a pretty good way to pick up things that you want to get one or two or three or four things that are the same. There's something similar about them. You want to select them all together. Something you maybe have not grouped. For example, what you're seeing here is a very colorful and busy um, bunch of shapes. And if I click on these shapes, you can see that there's a number of different colors and a different number of things that they aren't grouped together and they're just there. Now, for example, let's say I didn't like that orange color and I wanted to change the color. I would have to select each one of them with the shift key down and go around and select each one of them. You can do it, but that takes a while. A better way to do that is this way. Let's say I want to select all these orange rectangles in this circle. Select one and then go up to select and come down to same. Now, what's same about them? They all are the same fill color. They could be fill and stroke, but in this case there's no stroke. It's all just um, fill color. So if I select all the fill color, bingo, they are all there. And then I come down here and say, let's make those, this color green. And they all change. Now, if I wanted to, and I probably ought to now, say Command G and group them together. So now those guys are permanently grouped. Let's say I wanted to do that to the blue ones. So I select one, go to select, same thing, fill color, and there they all are. And I could change these to a different color if I wanted to do that. Maybe I don't think that's a good color combination, but there's those, and then I could say Command G, and now they're grouped. Let's say I want to change every one of the blues in these checkerboards. I pick out the one, well, they're grouped together. Let's see if I can change that. Command Shift G ungroups those. And I make copies of that. Command Shift G, ungroup that group. Command Shift G, ungroup that group. And Command Shift G, ungroup that group. Now let's do it like they weren't grouped. I pick one of them. And I want to pick all those blues all over the place. Select, same, fill and color. And see, all of them are selected. Then if I say, let's change them to red, they all change all at once. And so you can pick them out. If you don't like these browns here, pick the brown, select, same, fill color, and you get all the brown ones, and maybe you change them to, what's the color isn't there, green. Yeah, we got some green there, but that's what that can do. Now, you can select same by fill and stroke or fill color, or maybe you even have a same opacity, or maybe you have something that's just strokes and it's a stroke color, or the same stroke weight. You have some that are 5 points, some that are 10 points, and you select all the 5-point ones. So that's useful to get these things to select them. And if you go around like with object, you can play some games with that and pick up things that will help you pick them. But in this case, we're looking for the same, and in this case, fill color. Now we could, if there was a stroke on it, you could do fill and stroke, or just stroke color. But that helps you get something that is a ungrouped area that you don't have to spend so many times trying to get it all together by clicky, 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 clicky. You can get them all at once by using select, same, in this case, fill color.